Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And I don't think I introduced myself last time. My name is Deja and I named my channel Deja Lachey just because like that's my middle name and I like my first name. I like my whole name, but I didn't want to put my whole government out there. But yeah. And today I'm gonna do my Shein haul because I know that's what you guys were asking for. So to start, I'm gonna pull one item out of the bag. And let's start with this one. So I ordered a few things on Shein. I wanted a few things for like so I could wear to work. So I ordered this. They had a cute sweatshirt, just a regular sweatshirt. Cause you know, y'all know my psychology degree, so I like to wear things for the kids, wear things nice for the kids, and I like to give them very motivational things to look at every day. Because I'm just a positive spirit. Like I love being positive. But isn't it really cute? I'm gonna try it on for y'all so y'all can see real quick. So here's the sweatshirt to show you guys. This is the back of it. I wanted to wear like Uggs or sweatpants with it or something. But this is one item. Let's go to the next. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out of here is, ooh. So I got the jeans Skort shorts in the back and a skirt in the front. Let me try this on as well to see how this comes out. But this is very cute. So let me show you the shirt that is gonna go with it. The shirt is white. Ooh. I don't know if that's the one I ordered, but it came out cute. I'm gonna see how it goes together. All right, so this is the Skort that I got on right now. Let me zip it up. So this is the shirt that I chose to go with it. Y'all probably see it easier than me.
Boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer. I'm gonna
put all the sizes on all the videos. So if I don't say it, just know I'm gonna put it on there for y'all to see it. I also got this purse to go with it. From Shein. Period. I got that open. Oh, Shein be making you feel it for real. Like, I'm feeling this bag, y'all. Period. Hey. So make sure you subscribe and like after watching the video.